Hi, I am Irina and you are on the Let's Play BI channel. I continue learning the functionality of Oracle Analytics Cloud. I choose the sample from oracle.com, which helps me to learn the functionality faster. This sample contains script for creating database structure, file with data, snapshot with datamodel, and installation guide. This sample called Sales Pipeline App, and I downloaded it from the link under the video. I use script for database and go to the database. I use MyDB for learning. On the service console, I choose SQL Developer tool, sign in to the database as admin, and execute the script from the file. And you can see that the table and views are created. And now I must download data from the Excel file. So I choose the file and drop down this file to the uploading form, uploading wizard. On the mapping page, I check mapping and formats and review the results and press finish. All the data now downloaded. I select data from the table to review the data and voila, my data. I am back to the BI instance, and on the analytic home page I should upload snapshots, so choose snapshots. Snapshot is a file with bar extension and password for them in the installation guide. Once snapshot is uploaded, I use restore command to deploy it on my environment. I use custom modes and deselect application roles to save my user roles. Now I should change data source to my data model, but I cannot do it here because the model was created with Oracle Administration tool. For connecting to the model in the cloud, I use admin tool and my admin user to BI instance. And you should know password of SSL. It's very clear described in the guide for Analytics Cloud, except the default password for SSL. It's changeit for Windows and changeme for Mac. Now I will change connection parameters to my database, and I put connection string to data source name and my administrator name and password here. For connecting to database in cloud with on-premise software, I download a wallet for this database to my computer, to the folder which called or home BI, and use files SQLnet and TNS names. I copy them to the folder with configuration files for this software. Do you see here? And also I put the path to the wallet into the SQLnet file here. I copy connection string from the DNS names file and put it for connection parameters in admin tool. Show you again here. I am back to BI instance, to the analytics home, and now I enjoy researching the functionality with a lot of reports. I can use data model in this sample to study the best practice of data models and for creating new analysis and new dashboards. I tried to create some simple analysis here. It's not very difficult. So just choose dimension and fact and the type of diagram you want to see, and just save the project. I didn't find some very important information for this video in Oracle documentation, so ask for help from my friends from Oracle. So the key point of this video: don't have a lot of money, but have a lot of friends.